that? He sounds savage, bro. Just listen to these little burbles that you get. So that's like little burbles.
We living life in a fast lane, baby. Give it to me, girl, man, you're driving me crazy, crazy. Man, a whip so crazy. S3s, Coopers, GTI.
Yes, people, I hope you are all well. Today, we're going to be doing a little POV drive, obviously, in my Golf GTI, my Stage 2 Mk7.5 Integrated Engineering Golf GTI. Now, this is a late night one. I don't normally do them at night, but we're going to do one. Obviously, we're in a little car park at the minute. Let's so you guys can hear it. Don't know if someone's coming up or not, but it is so loud, it's crazy. Like, it's so loud in here in this car. Oh, is that an Audi R8 down there? I think it is. But yeah, it's just so loud. It's like stupidly loud. So we have to get into it. But yeah, let's get out of here. I hope I don't have to pay. Yeah, boy. Mug the system off. But yeah, so as I said, this is my Golf GTI Mk7.5. It's Stage 2 by Integrated Engineering. And if you don't know Integrated Engineering, then get to know. As you can see on here, I've got all my gauges that I need. I've got my intake air temp, my Newton meters, my throttle, my wastegate, and also my ignition advance. And you can actually do data logs, etc. on this as well, which is quite cool. Don't get me wrong, if you want to do it, then you can. But for now, we've just got the basic stuff set up on here for what, you know, for what you need on a daily basis. But yeah, the map generally has been really well. I haven't had any problems recently. I've had it on for about 2 weeks now, 2 to 3 weeks, and I literally cannot fault this map. It has been perfectly fine. Not that there's anything wrong with the map that I had before, but Integrated Engineering have really done a good map. And I haven't even done the intercooler yet, which we do have in the boot, so we do need to get that on eventually. But for now, you know, the car is actually really nice, and I'm starting to enjoy these POV drives. So if you lot want to see more POV drives, then let me know. Hopefully I can get another GoPro so we can get 2 angles, because I do have a mount there which we can have, you know, something on there as well. But yes, this is in my lovely town of Maidstone. Don't know if any of you lot watching are from Kent, but this is basically Maidstone town. We're gonna go down here, and we can do like a loop and go back through, so we'll kind of go through the center part of Maidstone. But yeah, then again, this map, a lot of people have obviously asking me in the previous videos, what's Integrated Engineering, are they any good? I personally would recommend it. Again, this isn't coming just because they sponsor the channel. This isn't necessarily me saying, you know, oh, listen to that. This isn't necessarily me saying, you know, I'm honest with you guys. I've always been honest. You know, I've had problems with other maps on the Polo, and I'm not gonna go through and shout the company out again and cause drama. But yes, we've had problems with maps before, and I've always been one to be very truthful about it. So yes, this map so far, you know, this has only been 2 weeks, but this map so far has been really good. So I can't fault it or slag it off as of yet, because it has been really good. So if you are or have a Mark 7, Mark 7.5, or even a Mark 8, I think they do maps for as well, you guys can get the Integrated Engineering map on your car. And also make sure to use my code at discount, because you do actually get quite a big saving. So I think it's like 10 or 15% off your order, which is quite a lot. So shout out to Integrated Engineering. We are I think we're one of the only creators in the UK that they've sponsored as of yet. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't knock them. I'd 100% recommend them. And just listen to these little burbles that you get. So that's like little burbles, and there is only one burble mode on this. So you have it in sport and you get the burbles. If you don't have it in sport, then you don't get the burbles. pretty loud. Yeah, it's as more you drive, the louder it gets. Like the more you warm up the car, obviously the louder the pops are going to be. But yeah, no, they're pretty loud. They're pretty savage for Burbles, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think they would be as loud, but you know, it is what it is. They're only Burbles at the end of the day. But no, I definitely recommend these quite a lot. It is pretty torquey, don't get me wrong. This does spin up to 3rd or 4th, but then again we get a lot of heat soak because we know we haven't done the intercooler yet. But boys, once we do the intercooler, she should be flying, and hopefully it will be, you know, the heat soak will stop a lot, because there's quite a lot of heat soak at the moment that I seem to be suffering with. So hopefully we can get rid of that. But yeah, that's the only problem I've really had is obviously the car. Oh, they sound so good. The car obviously holds back on power to obviously, because it thinks it's overheating, which it probably is, to be fair. But yeah, it holds back on the power because it's getting too hot, which is why I mainly have my intake air temps on here. And obviously the more Burbles you're putting through, the hotter the car gets. So it's good to watch it. I mean, 47 isn't that bad. We haven't gone anywhere on the motorway. Once you get on the motorway, that drops straight down to like 10, so it's really like not that bad. But yeah, you just have to give it a chance, and obviously don't abuse it too much. If you haven't done the intercooler, it's not a problem, but just don't obviously abuse it too much if you haven't done the intercooler, because you will just suffer with, you know, no boost. Well, you will get boost, but nowhere near as much as what you should be getting. Which I discovered it's more like stock power. So if you go from like 2nd to 3rd and you've got loads of boost, and then you do it again and it feels like it's not going anywhere, it is that. It's the boost leak. Not boost leak, sorry. It's not a boost leak. It's the car holding back power, because obviously it's getting too hot. Oh, listen to it. It sounds so good. Come on, bro. Don't leave me. But yeah, this map's been really good. There's not really much more to say about it. You know, I've generally I have had a lot of maps in the time, like on any car, and to be fair, I actually think that this car has probably had the best maps. You know, the Eco Max map was very good. It was mapped without an intercooler, which is why they only managed to get 330 out of it. This is 350, which it will be on its first run, and it will lose power, so that's why it feels quicker. Obviously I need to reach out to MD Autobahn and get them to fit my intercooler, and I'll probably just get the car serviced at the same time, because I have got a service soon. So just do you know what, I love the Burbles because they don't go on forever either. You know, like most remaps, like the Burble maps just go on and on and on. It's a nice, like, it's just not too loud. Like, I don't know, it's a chill Burble. As I said, it's more like an OEM plus Burble, more than like the Eco Max one. Obviously I wanted them to, so it's not me dissing them out. I wanted it to be more of an ASBO map, so they did obviously turn the boost up and all other stuff quite high, so you was gonna get bigger bangs on that. But on this one, I love it because it is just like boom, 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 boom. And again, you can tap the throttle after it's done the pop and bangs and get it to do it again, so you get like 8 Burbles instead of 4. And it all just depends on what you want, because you can get that if you really want it, and you can get it to flame. George, my mate, said it flamed the other day. I'm not sure if it actually did, but I don't know why he would lie, but yeah, he said it flamed. So you know, it's pretty cool. It's not anything too ASBO, of course, but it still sounds good, and you still got the Burbles. You know, you don't want to have the car too tame, because there's no point in doing all that effort to have a decat and all the other bits to go with it, and you're not even gonna add a Burble map onto it. Do you get what I mean? Like, there's literally no point. But yeah, so we are in the Maidstone town centre now. There's not really much to do and drive around and show you, but yeah, it sounds sick though. we'll go left here. I think if we go left, we go to Mackey's, but I don't really want to go into Mackey's, obviously. But we can come down, and then there's a lot of walls where the burbles like echo off the wall. And also, if you are still watching this video, make sure you subscribed. And secondly, does anyone else have problem with their Apple CarPlay on their GTIs? I'm talking more Mark 7.5 because I know that it's got a different head unit. But yeah, does anyone have problems with it? Because it constantly just like deplugs and unplugs itself, and then it will freeze and it'll go like zzz, it just makes a horrible noise. I honestly, I give up with it. I don't know why it does it. It's the most frustrating thing about this car is the Apple CarPlay, but you know, we move. There's not much I can do about it. I went to VW and they wanted like £300 for an update, and I'm just like, no. So yeah, we're oh my god, it just wants to spin. Like, the car is too quick for itself. Right, let's you hear that? It sounds savage, bro. Honestly, this car is so savage. It is sick. See what I mean? When you get in the higher revs and it's a bit warmer, it will do a bit of a bigger burble. So yeah, nah, honestly, sick car. I'm probably gonna end it here because it's just a little POV drive. But yeah, if you guys want to see more POV drives, you've got any questions about the car, please let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out BMS Motorsport. We've got a black 20 for Black Friday, so make sure you use that discount code. And wait for it. There you go. Oh look, you get the louder, but when you let off just over 3k, you get the louder bang. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace.
We living life in a fast lane, baby. Give it to me, girl, man, you're driving me crazy, crazy. Man, I whip so crazy. S3s, Coopers, GTIs, baby.